Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to provide the user with a form. We are now going to give the user the form.html template for the user to work with. But this is what I want us to do. You remember I told you Django allows you to get global templates and also application level templates. So I want us to do application level template. All that simply means is that we are going to create a folder inside our application, not in our project. The project is bio. We are going to create another folder in our application which is called face ID. So we will create a template folder in face ID, and inside that template folder we will create another folder in it and name it with our application name. Our application is face ID, so we will create a template folder in face ID. Then we create another folder inside the template file, the template folder as face ID. Then we will save our form.html file there, and Django will automatically fetch our HTML file from that particular folder and present it to the user. So let's practice it and let's see what I mean. This is our application. Our application is face ID. The project was named bio, but application was named face ID. I have already explained the differences between a project and an application. So in this application, we want to create a folder. So we click on the new folder. We are going to name the folder templates. Remember, Django works on the model view template. So we create a folder called templates. Now, this template folder is in our face ID application. Inside this template folder, we want to create another folder. And this second folder inside the template folder should be named with the name that we gave to our application. So our application name is face ID. So we named this folder face ID. And this face ID folder is in our template folder. And our template folder is in our application folder, which is the face ID application. So I'll hit enter. Then we have that. So the next thing that we have to do is to create this form.html. So I'll simply copy this form.html. Then I'll come back to our template folder, our face ID folder, and I'll go to add. Then I'll add a new file called form.html. Let me go over this again. Let's go to our application directory and redo this. So let's go back to where we saved our project. Our project was saved in documents, biometric system, and in bio. This is the base directory for our, let me increase the sizes. Okay, view, let me change it to extra large. Okay, this is where our home directory is. This is the bio project. This is the bio project, and this is our application. Our application is called face ID, and this is the folder. So we want to create an HTML template that the user will see. So what I am saying is, we go into our application folder. Let me delete the one we created earlier on. This is the project directory. We will go into our application folder. Inside the application folder, this is what we are going to see. Inside the folder, we want to create another folder called templates. So we name the folder templates, then you save. Then we open the template folder. Inside the template folder, we want to create another folder, and this particular folder, we name it the name of our application. So our application was face ID. Then we save. Then inside this face ID folder, this is where we are going to create our HTML template that is purposely for our application. So new text file. Then I save this text file as form.html. Then you hit enter, you save. If we go back to our project, inside this view, that is the template function, We said what form do we want to present to the user? What template? The template is what? Form.html. So we create a template folder inside our application. Then inside the template folder, we create another folder. We give it a name, the name of our application. Then inside that folder, we create our template for this particular hot application. So our first template is the form.html template. So if you are going to have several views or functions for this particular application, all their templates, you can store it in the face ID application under templates, under face ID, then your HTML template goes in there. So we need to tell the system that we want you to return and render the request, and the request that you are rendering, our template is in the face ID folder /form.html. So when the user makes a request, the Django system will automatically go into our application, which is the face ID, and find our template folder. Inside our template folder, the Django system will find a folder named what? Face ID. And when Django finds a folder named face ID, Django is going to find if we have a form.html file saved in that particular folder. In the next video, we are going to work on designing the templates and also to test our system out.